Imagine a world where all you have to do to create a show-stopping linear light installation was to basically sketch it out, add measurements, make some mounting and power choices, and then wait for it to be delivered. Heaven on Earth? Nah. It's Innovision by GM Lighting. If there's one thing we can all agree on, it's this. Great lighting can make all the difference when it comes to interior design, and we may also agree that sometimes the term "leave it to the experts" holds great meaning when you're talking about tackling linear LED configuration. That's why we here at GM Lighting thought we'd do the hard part when it comes to putting together your Innovision system. All you have to do is follow these easy steps. 1. Familiarize yourself with what Innovision can do, and then send us a layout. A sketch will do. Check out our product video, read our spec sheet, and look at Innovision on our website. As great as Innovision is, it has some limitations and requires certain power supplies. But don't worry, we'll walk you through it. Here are some points to keep in mind. Each run goes straight through without gaps. Innovision can achieve an 8-inch minimum bend diameter. Also, you can power several runs with the same power supply, just don't exceed 96 watts. That will ensure a Class 2 safe operation. 2. Mark the location or locations of the power supply on your layout. You'll need a vented area to put a GM XD series power supply. To calculate the load, multiply the length by the wattage rating of the LED tape. At 3 watts per foot, 10 feet of Innovision will need at least a line drive 40-watt XD power supply. Add up all the runs to calculate the total wattage of your system. Each power supply can potentially provide 96 watts of power. Split the load among multiple power supplies if higher power levels are needed. All Innovision LED tapes are factory cut and sealed to ensure an IP66 outdoor rating and long life. 3. Take measurements and send details to our factory. Mark clearly the locations that you'll be mounting Innovision and the lengths you'll need. Innovision can be sized to the nearest 1/4 inch for the single color. RGBW and tunable white is sized in 2-inch increments. If the application is for a ceiling and wall perimeter, it may look like this. And if it is for an outdoor area, say like a patio roof or gazebo, it may look like this. Now let's talk mounting channels. Innovision uses either a corner channel or a flat channel. The corner channel aims Innovision at a 45-degree angle from its apex. The flat channel aims Innovision perpendicular to the surface it is mounted on. Let us know what you prefer. Which brings us to 4, the length between the power supply and the start of your run. Allow for a few inches of slack.